Hello guys, I hope you all are doing good. So today I am showing you another program in Python. So let me open my Visual Studio Code. So here I have wrote a palindrome program. So here what is the main logic in it, that the user will give a input and it will store in the variable n. Then in decision making statement we are calling the function that is palindrome. So it's going here and now it's checking whether the number which the user has sent, whether it is less than 0 or not. If it is less than 0, then it will return false, because a palindrome number cannot be a negative number. Then we are storing the number n which the user has given in a variable temp, because we will operate on this variable n, that is the user has given. So as a result we are doing here, we are returning it here. So in order to hamper our number, we are storing it in a temporary variable, that is temp. Then we are initializing a ref variable with 0 and a g variable with 0. And in this while loop we are checking whether the number which the user has given, whether it's greater than 0. So here is coming, it will in each part, that is when we are doing n modulus 10, it will store the remainder in the variable d. And in line number 10 what we are doing, we are calculating the reverse value in ref variable. And in line number 11 we are dividing the value n. So in this way it will check the whole number and it will segregate each digit, and upon segregating it will store it in the reverse variable until n is greater than 0. When n will be 0, or then it will come out of the loop, and then it will check whether the value which is the reverse value which is stored in this ref variable, whether it is equals to this temp variable, the number which we have stored initially before the while loop was running. So upon checking whether the temp is equals to ref or not, if it will return true. So it will come, if it's true then it will tell yes it is palindrome, that is the number is palindrome, else the number is not palindrome. So it's a very simple program. I hope you all have understand. Let's see to the next video. Bye bye, have a great day.